This one you are planning on spending money from rentals received on the property in your care for your brother's church. Hope you are not planning to give testimony in the church because the law says you are a constructive trustee.
This is because where a trustee makes a deposition of trust, he becomes a constructive trustee of the profit made. And this can be seen in the case of Mark and Edmund time.
Well, after you've sold the mortgage property of the fellow who borrowed money from you, and you moved the actual money and the interest, return the rest back to the person because the law is a constructive trustee for the remaining.
Yes, because the principle is that when a mortgagee sells a mortgage property, he becomes a constructive trustee for the remaining money after removing his interest and his money, as in the case of Charles and Jones.
Regardless of whatever you might have been told, don't buy a property over which some persons claim interest because you might just end up a constructive trustee.
As per say na you be the pastor, you can't sell church property. Better don't spend the money because na constructive trustee you be. So what then is a constructive trust? A constructive trust is imposed by the court to prevent unjust enrichment based on the rationale that a man must not be allowed to benefit at the expense of another, even though there was no fiduciary relationship between them.
In the case of Ibekwe versus Nwosu, the Supreme Court held that Nwosu became a constructive trustee. Even though there was no formal trust agreement, equity imposed a trust because it would be unconscionable for Nwosu to benefit from land he already sold.
A constructive trustee is a person, although not formally appointed as a trustee, but now owns property or assets for the benefit of another person due to his circumstances or actions.
So finally,
Note that the court will not allow you to reap where you do so.
rather you become a constructive trustee. Your relationship with others is a serious matter.